Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. We get report for table like this way the general public guys they aware about. And the cocoa now be say the Supreme Court don't begin the face pressure, men now don't begin the bombast the Supreme Court, make them speed up action on a petition wey dey filed by governors from the People's Democratic Party. And the governors now they challenge the emergency rule declared in Rivers State by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And among those men now wey dey pressure the Supreme Court make them take action on the petition now one civil society group, Advocates for Democratic Nigeria. And now for inside one statement wey dey released by the group, their National Publicity Secretary wey be Comrade Kasim Idris, the Advocates for Democratic Nigeria dey yarn say they don learn, that is, it don come to their notice, say governors don already approach the Supreme Court seeking a date for the hearing of their case. And the group consider yarn say na this development so now form the basics of their own appeal to the Supreme Court, make dem for grant the relief wey the plaintiff dey find and make dem grant am without further delay, because last swift judicial intervention is very much important, is very much crucial to safeguarding democratic governance and the rule of law. According to how the group take yarn the matter for their statement, they said there is an urgent need for the court to grant the governors their prayers in order to save democracy and advance the cause of our democratic jurisprudence. And like this now, my good people, the group now they draw here the summer warning, say allowing the suspension of democratically elected officials outside constitutionally established process go last send the wrong signal regarding Nigeria's commitment to democratic ideals. Men now go dey preach, they give international communities, men now go dey preach, they give ambassadors or many other nations, say we nation Nigeria is very much democratic, nation Nigeria they respect rule of law. But if we enter the nation Nigeria, you go observe things and things we no nice, you go observe things and things we dey unconstitutional, you go observe things and things we dey very much undemocratic, and normally those kind of levels it no make sense at all. And still on the matter, still on the statement, the group now they yarn say they understand very well, say the plaintiffs, and that now the governors of Adamawa State, Enugu State, Osun State, Oyo State, Bauchi State, Akwa Ibom State, Plateau State, Delta State, Taraba State, Zamfara State, and Bayelsa State, they don base their summons on 8 grounds contained in a suit wey they don mark SC/CV/329/2025, where they want the Supreme Court to determine whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or any other president of the nation get the constitutional authority to suspend a democratically elected structure in any state for inside we nation Nigeria. And the governors still want make the court clear them whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's state of emergency rule on Rivers State no dey against the 1999 constitution of this our green country. All these my good people now wetin Oga Idris dey yarn for inside the statement wey the group they arrange, and the matter no still end there. You know say Oga Idris constant proceed further, they urge the Supreme Court so they undertake a swift and thorough interpretation of the relevant constitutional provisions. And now consider yarn say now on this premise, now them now they call on the apex court wey be the Supreme Court, say make them hasten up the process, make them sharply come outside and interpret the provisions of section 1(2), section 5(2), section 176, section 180, section 188, and section 305 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999. And the reason why the Supreme Court now guys begin to explain, the reason why the Supreme Court guys begin to interpret these sections of the law now to determine whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or any president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria go feel lawfully suspend or in any manner interfere with the offices of a governor and deputy governor of any of the 36 states wey dey for inside the federation, and last come replace them with his own unelected nominee as a sole administrator under the disguise of or pursuant to a proclamation of a state of emergency. This my good people now few of the many details wey dey for the statement wey dey released by the group, their National Publicity Secretary wey be Comrade Kasim Idris. And sake of this report, I believe say many men go fit agree say this group so we be Advocate for Democratic Nigeria, their blood dey hot no be small. and that I believe say na so many country people, especially men wey dey for inside Rivers State, dey also dey feel. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow the matter be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another informate, me still get report for table wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Attorney General of the Federation wey be Prince Lateef Fagbemi, dem now we are very much absent on Thursday, wey be the 10th day of April for inside this year 2025 for the Federal High Court for inside Abuja, where a suit wey dey seek to nullify the appointment of a sole administrator for Rivers State was scheduled for hearing. Men bin don arrange say na on Thursday na they go talk about Oga Ibas matter, but surprisingly both our president and the Attorney General of the Federation, none of them show up for court. Now this development, so this case now we don reach the table of Abuja Federal High Court. The matter dey happen sake of say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu suspend the Rivers State Governor wey be Sasim Fubara and other elected state officials dem for inside the month of March, and our president come still proceed further go dey appoint Oga Ibas as the sole administrator of Rivers State. And no be lie, men para well well sake of the decision of our president. Men now dey describe am as unconstitutional, unlawful, alien and illegal. And despite the weight of the matter, upon say the things now wey dey play for inside Rivers State, men dey watch, men dey observe, still yet our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu or the Attorney General of the Federation, they no even show up for court and they no even send representative. Meanwhile, the Attorneys General of Lagos State, Bayelsa State, Taraba State and Edo State, they answer present for the proceedings. And during the proceedings, so my good people, the counsel to the plaintiff will be Mr. Chimezie Inuka. He informed the court say all the defendants, with the exception of Zamfara and Bauchi State, have been duly served with the court processes and hearing notice. But last, my good people, after Justice James Omotosho now don hear from all the parties wey dey present for inside court, he come adjourn the case to the 11th day of June for inside the year 2025, and he come order the issuance of fresh hearing notices to all the defendants dem. Meanwhile, many men for inside we nation Nigeria, especially for inside Rivers State, dey complain say June 11 wey court go plaster date e too far, say that's na half of the 6 months wey men don chop suspension. But no matter the matter, my good people, the court has spoken. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you drop your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on our legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they call your side, then you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Now me they come back with more news, me they come back with more reports for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.